Now we can start our hot girl summer.
We are sip the heli for the day, baby. Bad man, we no scared, baby.
Wagwan everybody, it's your girl Moesha Chantae and welcome back to another tutorial. So today you guys, I wanted to show you guys my method of doing the passion twist protective style. I pre-sectioned my hair with rubber bands, added some oils to them so it won't snag on my hair. God's willing, it can flow over. Y'all, tell me if you can make a funny joke out of my face. So I was counting the strands. I used 2 strands per twist, and I was freaking out because I didn't think I had enough, but I finessed it, you know, queen finesse. So all that it is to this style is that you slide your crochet needle under your section with your 2 strands that you already separated. You're gonna add it to your crochet needle, close the latch, pull the latch through. Mari's gel lock, holds cornrows, braids, locks to his tighter and longer. And that's it. I added that to my hair to make it a little bit smoother. But yeah, so I am doing the, I guess basically the faux lock method per se, if you want to call it that, with my left hand, which is your right hand on camera, is it? Right, so I am just using my left hand on screen, but your right, to guide the hair as I'm wrapping it around. And as soon as I'm finished with that, I separated it so that my ends are split evenly between the water wave hair. I added some mousse to the end so it can be kind of springy. I mean, it's gonna do that naturally, but I liked it with adding the mousse. So it's really cute, really sleek. Everything's protected, nothing's out. The reason why I decided to use this method is because I didn't like that sometimes the rubber band was showing, and my hair is a lot coarser than the passion twist water wave hair, so I didn't want it to kind of look too, you know, out there. I kind of wanted it to look super sleek, super neat. I just continued this for the rest of my hair, so I'm gonna just let y'all watch. Last and final braid. Alright, lock cream. Make it even. From one side. And if you guys have ever done full lock before, all you do is hold one and twist it until it's covering majority of your hair. And then I can't. There we go. Mousse. You guys, we're done, and I'm in love. And just looking like, oh baby, yes, y'all, I'm proud of myself. Yes. Look at that. Look at this. Cut a little strap in. All of my clients know whenever I do hair is that moussing is my favorite part, so. My hair grew. It grew, y'all. So the back, it held up, look. It held up.
Come my way, baby. Top down on the highway, baby.
Thank you guys for watching this entire video. If you guys enjoyed it, give me a thumbs up. If you enjoyed me, subscribe, and if you want to talk to me about the style or any questions, concerns, hit me up in the comment section below. I really appreciate you guys so very much for the love and continued support. Thank you.
Girl, I know that I will fall for you. You got to know that everyone falls. Oops, I done fell too deep, baby. Oops, I think you got me.